Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff Cowboy again. Before you go to the dealership and spend over $900 to change the airbag module, make sure you watch this video, because the reason why your airbag is blinking is because probably you had a loose wire under the seat, and or something happened and that triggered the airbag to come on. Maybe you are on accident, something, and then there is airbag blinking on the dashboard like this. Just started my Nissan Rogue here, and I wanted you to see what the airbag is doing. It's blinking. So before you go to the dealership and spend over $900 or $1,000 to have the airbag module fixed, try this trick and see whether it's gonna fix. It's gonna take the airbag away. So what you do is turn off the vehicle, and then we're gonna bring it on to just on position right there. Immediately when that airbag goes away, you turn it off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn it on. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to start the vehicle and see whether that reset that airbag. And boom, the airbag is gone. It's not braking anymore. The only thing that is braking there is the air sensor, which is one of the tire doesn't have the air sensor on it. So the airbag issue is gone, and that is how you reset the airbag light that is braking on your Nissan Rogue. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. This is your man Jeff Cowboy, and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to support this channel. Thank you guys.